Hi there, please watch this brief video showing the factory specified laying procedure of applying the Terrastone Tile Adhesive to both the floor substrate, combing the adhesive straight using a 12mm notch trowel. Then, as with all large format tiles, back butter the adhesive on the underside of the entire tile. Place the tile on a 20-litre bucket for ease of application. Comb the lines of the adhesive straight using a 12mm notched adhesive trowel. Then, lay the tile with the combed adhesive lines parallel or in line with the lines of the floor adhesive. Stand on the tile to compress it well into the adhesive layers, and finally use a rubber mallet to ensure the tiles are bedded level to the surrounding tiles and the adhesive is in full contact with the edges and corners of the tile. Clean the surface progressively as tiling continues with a damp sponge. Once the tiles are clean and dry and the grout has cured, apply 2 thin coats of our concrete and stone sealer using a microfibre mop applicator as seen here. Ensure the applicator is fully saturated with sealant as you move it evenly across the tiles to apply a thin coat. Allow between 20 to 60 minutes depending on weather conditions and ensure it is touch dry before applying the second coat. In outdoor applications, apply only 1 coat of our UFT concrete and stone slip resistant sealer. Thank you for watching.